From flooded towns to far-flung provinces, government aid keeps moving as rains keep falling. Food packs, warm meals, and dignity delivered straight to doorsteps, storm or no storm. And through it all, the promise stands. No Filipino left hungry. No community left behind. Luisa Erispe is back to tell us more.
In line with President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive that no one should be left behind during calamities, the Department of Social Welfare and Development has been distributing thousands of food packs nationwide. Based on the agency's latest tally, they have handed out 431,875 food packs to regions all over the country, not only in NCR, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, and Calabarzon. The aid being provided has reached even Western Visayas. Also Ilocos region, particularly Barangay Salapingao in Dagupan City, where 788 families were given packs. Even in the Cordillera region, DSWD was able to reach residents of Bisay and Paracelis Mountain Province. 555 packs were also given to Lubang Occidental, Mindoro. According to the agency, though they have already given almost 500,000 food packs, there are still 2.7 million prepositioned FFPs ready to be handed out.
Nakikipag-partner tayo sa mga local government units kasi sila yung nagdi-distribute sa kanilang mga constituent. Sinisigurado natin yung mga nasa evacuation centers ay napangangalagaan kasi meron pa tayong around 45,000 na pamilya sa mga evacuation center.
Aside from evacuees, DSWD is also providing assistance to jeepney drivers, fisher folks, and farmers who were also affected by the recent weather disturbances and the southwest monsoon.
Mula Lunes, baha na at hindi sila nakakalabas. So pag ikaw ay driver na nagba-boundary at hindi ka nag-boundary, wala ka talagang iuwi sa iyong pamilya. Gutom mga abutin. Kaya ayaw ng Pangulo natin na may nagugutom na mga jeepney driver. In-instruct niya kami na targetin itong mga jeepney driver at kanina nagsimula na.
Meanwhile, the Walang Gutom program of the department also continues to give assistance to food-poor families. First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos personally met with the beneficiaries and visited the redemption booths where the families buy nutritious food. Francisca, one of the beneficiaries, said until now, they still have knee-deep flood inside their home. That's why having the chance to meet and personally talk with the First Lady was a relief for her.
Hindi na po kami gaano nahirapan sa pagkain kasi po may suporta kami. Nung nakakatanggap kami ng pagkain sa Walang Gutom, nababawasan po yung pagbabudget. Ngayon ito, pag nakatanggap ako ngayon, pahalalay na namin hanggang isang buwan. Isang buwan po namin pagkain.
Anita also said the program is a big help to her as a solo parent.
Nakaluwag po talaga yung Walang Gutom program. Kasi dati, inagahagi lang pa ako ng pambili ng pagkain para lang makaraos sa araw-araw. Pasalamat ako ng malaki dahil sa Walang Gutom program.
May data na pinapakita na bumaba ang kagutuman sa kanilang hanay. Ibig sabihin yung programa na Walang Gutom actually works or worked and continues to work. So nakakakita tayo ngayon ng napakagandang intervention na pag lumawak pa, mawawakasan na natin ang kagutuman sa ating bansa.
The National Cook-Off Challenge of the Walang Gutom program was also held today. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. gave 100,000 pesos each to the contestants per region. First Lady Liza Marcos also tasted each dish and awarded the prize to the pronounced winner. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.